Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to use the YouTube Google Trends. So everyone knows that you're going to post some videos, so you need to know that what is trending topic now. We'll see in three methods to explore how to use the topic to get to know before posting the or creating the content. First, open the browser and go to youtube.com. So once you go to the youtube.com, make sure that you log in the correct account. Here below, scroll down on the left side navigation pane. You can see under the menu Explore, there is a trending option. Click the trending, and here you can see all the trending topics which is currently on viral. So Google always use some algorithm to find out the creative content and which is really make user interaction well. So here you can see all the trending topics which is posted recently, one day ago, 2 days ago. See the views, 1.4 million views. So you can find out easily how the trending topics is going on. Accordingly, you can able to create on your region. This is currently on United Arab Emirates. So now if you want to change to other region, you can change it to other region also. I'm just going to check on India, how it's look like India, the trending topics are. Now you see this, all the home page has been changed. Now again you go to the same Explorer option and click the trending. Now you can see all the trending topics are there, which is currently going on about the music video of Yo-Yo Honey Singh and the recent movie also. So this is the trending topics which you can see on India, and as well as you can check the musics or gamings or movies which is currently trending now. So this will give you the glimpse of information that how to create or which topic you can able to get idea to create your own content. The same way, next tool you can use, which is Google Trends. Google Trends is very much important and useful tool to find your content. Let's go to Google Trends. Here you can check the trending topics or trending search terms in worldwide or specific region. Once you are on the home page, either you can search here the topic or keyword which you are really looking for it. Let's say I can type ChatGPT. So here you can see there is a option showing down, search term, software, topic and record label. Usually you have to go for search term because this is a broad search of people searching using the keyword on the Google. Click on the search term. Now you will land on the page of Explorer. Here you can see the trending topic of ChatGPT. Below the interest over time, you can see the graphics which is high on some time and become low and become high again. You can change the matrix by changing this option. Instead of past days, you can use last 30 days, 7 days. You can change to 30 days or more. This 4 option is helpful for you to navigate or research more about the topic. You can see there is a more fluctuations are there. Even you can click and search for last 5 years of long-term search. See this one, This is predictable, and you can get to know when you create a content, you make sure that this content will be viral on some days or some month or some years, because everyone knows that once you create a content, it won't go right away. So if you search using this Google Trends, you can get to know the trending period, so might you will get viral on some days. Example, this ChatGPT, it has a chance of going high. So again, this also depends on the region which you are searching for. Here it's a related topic. So topic wise, the ChatGPT, it's really going well, and people are searching. On the right side you can see the related queries. The related queries also, it's used to use search in the Google search. This is a keyword the users are searching. The similar way, you can change the country also here to check specifically by selecting the country. Here also the search level is very high, so you can create a content related to the ChatGPT. And also you can find the region wise, the content is very popular. You always focus on the related queries because people used to search with this keyword on the Google. You have more queries by selecting right side. You can see free ChatGPT, ChatGPT download, OpenAI ChatGPT. So you can get an idea, glimpse of idea how to create a content. The more interesting part is, I will show you. Just try to use all the 4 options, okay, to get to understand more detailed about how you finding the topics very interesting over the period or in which category also. If you find this, if you want to specifically narrow down to the topic, also you can search, because when you post the YouTube, you will tag this topic also. Again, you can use this option also, whether you want to be narrowed down to YouTube search or general web search. Let's say YouTube search. How many people are searching? Might I need to remove this technology? I click all categories. Again, YouTube search also you can see there is a spike is there and come down and again going on well. As I said, like more interesting thing is you have to search by comparing the other search keywords. Example, check for DeepSeek. Again, always go to the search term. When you compare multiple keywords, searched keywords, then you will get to know which topic is really viral on some period of time. So you can see the comparison and you can get more insights before creating the content. You can see that one, there is really spike is went on DeepSeek, especially on 2025 on January, because it's become very viral DeepSeek on particular period. And you can see that one, the related queries also. This is the related queries about DeepSeek. So these are the topics you can get to know really deep understanding about the trending viral videos also. Click now trending now option. You can search a general term, what is the trending topic currently on the region which you have selected. Now it's going on England with Australia. Let's see about India. So here also going on related to cricket topics only. So maybe you can create cricket content which is really useful for to give more insights to the subscribers. Let me select US. So you can see this trending topics, search volume, and started 13 hours ago. Trend breakdown is about the topic searching on the Google. So these are the useful things which you can do research before creating a content, because it's really helpful for you. Once you create the content, you will definitely know that you will get more views. The third option is same. You go to the YouTube Studio. So these are the very deep search. The third option is because YouTube will know, YouTube will have your content, what is the content you have published in your YouTube, and it will search and give you the related option. Go to the YouTube Studio and go to the analytics, and in the analytics, channel analytics, click on the trends option. See here the Google itself, the YouTube itself giving the suggestion which are the topics is very helpful for you, or which are the topics is trending based on your content published on your YouTube. So you can think about and use this kind of topic also to become very popular, or you get more views. See this one 3 weeks ago and 2 weeks ago, and the views are still increasing. So everyone can use these three kind of options. First one is the YouTube channel trending option and Google Trends, second option, and especially please compare with the 2 or more search terms to get more insights. Third one is the channel analytics in the trends. So hope you understand. Thank you.